opportunity to see a commercial airliner take it off. And I hope they're looking and I hope they're waving. Y'all have a safe flight down here. Spirit Airlines would like to acknowledge the fact that they do have flights to Myrtle Beach and Orlando out of the airport here. So think about that the next time you feel the need to go to Orlando or Myrtle Beach. I know I myself would very much like to be in Myrtle Beach. Spirit Airlines turning onto the runway here, getting ready to depart in a moment. Big yellow airplane, hard to miss this thing as it goes by. And they are rolling. Let's listen to the sound of commercial air power, courtesy of Spirit Airlines.
It's like, just, here we go.
Positive rate of climb. There go the landing gear. Bye-bye. Have a nice flight.